I'm gonna show you the top 5 things you need in your product page. If you clicked on this video, you probably built and designed many e-commerce websites in the past, but couldn't quite get them to convert, so we've all been there. We believe we have a solution. That's why today, I'm gonna show you the top 5 things you need in your product page, including one app that will help you increase your conversion. Stick around to the end to learn more. But before we get started, I want to say welcome to everyone new. My name is Cristian Piñon, one of the co-founders here at Bit Branding. We've been helping frustrated store owners since 2015 become impactful store owners through tutorials, tactics, and strategies. If you want to support our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Activate! All right, let's get started. Good quality and variety of images. This is the single most important element of an e-commerce product page. Your feature image can excite visitors or turn them away. It has to be polished, it has to be perfectly centered. Think of a clean cut image, right? Maybe with a nice, just simple white background, maybe black background. Doesn't have to be too fancy, no crazy edits, nothing like that. Now, when we talk about variety of photos, let's say you're selling a shirt, right? It could be the front of the shirt, it could be the back of the shirt. Also think about maybe zooming in, right? On certain areas or certain aspects of the shirt. Let's say it has a little tag on the side. You could definitely zoom in on that tag, or depending on the product that you're selling, you want to highlight different features of that particular product. Activate! All right, and then coming at number 2 is concise copy with conviction. In order to have a great product page, the copy, like things like the price, the shipping, the size of color, different features of that particular product, you need to highlight those high points in the copy of your product. Now, I believe IKEA does a pretty good job with this, where they have the bare minimum, right, of information on each product. But the cool thing about their page is that you can actually click on view more, right? So customers can quickly find and gather the information that they need about that particular product, and then they can actually find more information about that product, dimensions, size, weight, how many parts. Number 2, clear, concise copy for your product. Hey, I just want to remind you, stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to show you an app that actually will help you increase conversions in the product page. Activate! All right, numero 3, similar product suggestions, upsell, cross-sell. Those are a must. Essentially, you have 3 options here. Customers that also viewed, you can do related products, and you can do products with similar names or descriptions, okay? There is a plethora of different apps out there that you can achieve this pretty easily, and there's actually some themes out there that have this feature built in. So take advantage of that and turn that on. Activate! Number 4 is to use videos. Customers are 64 to 85% more likely to purchase after watching a video. Videos engage the customer more, meaning that they will actually spend a little bit more time in there on that particular page, right? I used to shop for shoes a lot online. I'm not doing that anymore. But I believe it was Zappos.com. They had videos on how the shoes actually look. There's gonna be probably some videos showing up right now. And that's the best way to look at shoes online. Whenever you see those pictures of shoes, at least to me, with my shopping experience, it's sometimes the form factor of the shoes is not there. You have to see it in action on someone's foot in order to, get a good feel of the actual product. So whenever I would shop for shoes, I would go to Zappos.com, where I knew they had someone actually wearing the shoe and modeling it for you. Activate! And then the last, but I would say most important thing is social proof. Now we're talking about reviews, right? And I actually made a video on how to add reviews to your product page. You can check it out here or here. So most stores out there probably already have reviews. In order to just take it to that next level, I want to see customers actually using those products. Something that you can do, and some themes have this available, where you can create a little gallery of images right there under the product page, where you can see some of your customers using your product. That's gonna be huge. Now, the app that we've been talking about, or I've been talking about this whole video, is gonna be called Pop by Cart Kit. Now, this app, what it does is it shows you social proof of people actually purchasing on your website. So whenever, Franklin from Oklahoma buys a shirt, it's gonna show Franklin from Oklahoma just bought this shirt. So it just gives you an extra incentive, right? It gives you that little FOMO, right? Of someone who's actually on that page looking at that particular product, and they're seeing that other people from other places are actually purchasing that product. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I wanna hear from you, right? Leave some comments down below. If you have any questions, or if you actually have any suggestions, right, on what you should have on the product page. Make sure to hit that like button because the YouTube algorithm actually likes that and we like it too, and you will actually help more people find this video. So please do that. Like. See you next time. Take care.